scared, I gotta feed my family. Maybe they'll ban me. I'm sharp like a Stanley. If not, they'll have to hand me a couple momos and a Grammy. I think big like I'm having ordering a double whopper. Just today I got stopped by a hockey copper. He said, mind if I stop it? I said, well, over asking. I know there's been a robbery and the suspect's dark skin. It was getting dark when they let me on my way. Facio wasted half of my day. Same shit, different brain. Back in Harrogate, Michelle lays her baby to sleep. Waiting on her man, what he goes to see Monique. Cause now she got a belly and two chubby cheeks. That bar used to make man weak. Another victim of the streets as I creep on the beat. Clock the Tibbs technique. Blood in the city rap. Urban turban format. Still learning, but I'm all that. Been a hip hop cat and now I'm strutting. Jaw dropping chat to keep head popping. In the city rap. Surging through the urban like crack cats. Never made a whack track. Tibbs and Gap be back with another inner city rap. Just some inner city rap. Slang chat, bang trap like an RC. Ask me my opinion, it turns nasty. Tell you straight, I'm no fucking Yankee, more like Yogi. Don't give a bear's rap to old fogey in wheelchairs. Don't feel breads, you watch yours and not theirs. Long, like fresh trim, bushy nose hair. Mine strong like my dad's beard. Rose raised me when mum weren't there. Well prepared to switch gears. Tibbs turbo, make you look like a stolen metro that just ran out of petrol. Picture rose petals in blood. A pigeon hugging a scrub. Blood, that's that ghetto shit I love. In the city rap. Urban turban format, still learning, but I'm all that. Been a hip hop cat and now I'm shotting. Jaw dropping chat to keep head popping. In the city rap, surging through the urban like crack cats. Never made a whack track. Tibbs and Gap be back with another inner city rap. Just some inner city rap. Curtains close at night and leave the streets behind. Cause these London times are worse than headlines. And I'm the type that won't really trust you. Cause deep down, most man be like, fuck you, pay me. Maybe too much Jay-Z, now these streets is watching cautiously. Like once I was victim to a burglary by a man I called uncle, the nerve of the teeth. So I serve like Pete from deep in my heart. When I speak back this shit, it's more than art. It's a part of my life and a part of society. Grannies don't trust me when I wear my hoodie. It feels fuckery, sometimes I take it off, but more time I keep it on. Blood, I couldn't give a toss. Love gets lost in webs of deceit, but blood bring me them goods, I don't need a receipt. That deep in the streets, blood keep one eye open and doors locked. Broke fiends wanna be smoking. Many are hoping things will get better, but it's never that. Just rats chasing the cheddar forever. In the city rap, urban turban format, still learning, but I'm all that. Been a hip hop cat and now I'm strutting. Jaw dropping chat to keep head popping. In the city rap, surging through the urban like crack cats. Never made a whack track. Tibbs and Gap be back with another inner city rap. Just some inner city rap. You get me? Smack an MC at his dream. My team hustle nightmares. Man ain't scared, I'm well prepared. Tibbs and Gap, we're taking over this year. You hear?